You gonna try turkey?
No.
Hi there, welcome back to the Meat Thinker channel. We're into the first week of November, and believe it or not, Thanksgiving is just around the corner. That means it's time to bust out the old turkey fryer and get busy with it. So let's get to it. So let me start with this question. What do you call a turkey the day after Thanksgiving Day? Lucky. Yep, this 15-pounder we have today is surely not lucky. That was a dad joke I told my kids today, and they weren't really impressed. Frying turkey is no joke though. Let's make sure we do 3 things for safety. 1, make sure your turkey is thawed out completely to avoid explosion. 2, fry your turkey outdoors. And 3, do not leave the stove unattended. These 3 things will prevent you from burning down your house. The only thing that is scarier than burning your house down is your preteen kids talking about getting a driver's license and driving your car. What I'm doing on this video took a total of 2 whole hours, from removing the turkey out of its packaging to slicing them up for tasting. I'm going to run through this real quick so you don't have to scramble to cook turkeys on a Thanksgiving day. I bought this 15-pounder from H-E-B last week, and I threw this in the refrigerator for the whole week so it had enough time to thaw out completely. You just need to allow 1 day for each 4 to 5 pounds of weight. For a 20-pound turkey, it will take about 5 days to thaw. Take the turkey out of the shrink wrap and remove the neck and giblets. Rinse the cavity with cold running water to make sure there isn't any small chunks of ice. Pet dry the turkey inside and out. Today I'm using Tony Chachere's Creole style butter injection. Go ahead and inject the butter into all the meaty parts of the turkey, including legs and breasts. Once you're through with the injection, use the leftover butter and baste them over the skin as a binder for the rub. I'm using Hardcore Carnivore fried turkey seasoning today. Dust the entire turkey lightly. If you put too much, it's just going to fall off the skin when you dunk it in the fryer. Next, just let it sit and give it some time to absorb the seasoning while you heat up the pot. Now let's go outside and get the oil going. 3 gallons of peanut oil I just picked up from Academy is perfect for the pot I have for any turkey up to 20 pounds. Fill it up and fire up the stove to bring the oil temperature up to 350 degrees. Now the oil is ready, slowly lower the turkey into the pot. If you're a father, you should have strong enough shoulder muscles to do this. Hold the turkey steady and lower it slowly to minimize hot oil splash and prevent massive fire. I took my time before the turkey completely reached the bottom. Now the turkey is in the pot, sit back and have some tea and monitor the oil temperature to keep it steady at 350. Adjust the flames as needed. To fry a whole turkey, it will take about 3 to 4 minutes per pound. So it should take about an hour to fully cook this 15-pounder. The internal temperature reaches 165 in the thickest part of the breast. Remove the turkey from the pot and let it rest for at least 20 minutes. This will keep the meat juicy. While the turkey is resting, let's do a scrape test on the skin. That's the crispy sound that we're looking for. And take the wing off to make room for the knife to cut into the breast. Slice the first piece off and you can tell the flavor is there. First obligatory tasting, and it is good. Let's cut into the second slice. The combination of the fried skin and breast meat is a killer. I shared a piece with my wife and she approves. I just can't stop eating this thing. If my wife wasn't in front of me recording this, I would just sit there and eat the whole half of the bird without hesitation.
됐어.
Now it's time to call the kids for the sample test.
All right, guys.
Kid number 1, rated 10 out of 10.
Give me a score.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. You gonna try turkey?
No.
And kid number 2, rated tantrum. There you have it. The only animal I would rather deep fry than smoking. If you have always wanted to try one, go ahead and pull the trigger. As long as you stick to the safety precautions, you're going to impress your entire family with this one. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and keep me thinking.